Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best finds in the world of toys and games. Today, we're diving into one of the best clearance LEGO sets you can get your hands on. The LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Wild Animals. Surprising Spider Set. Product number 31159. This is a fantastic toy for kids aged 7 and up, offering hours of creative fun and imaginative play. The set includes 153 pieces and lets you build not just one, but 3 different animal figures. Whether your child wants to build a creepy spider with posable legs, a scorpion, or a sleek snake, this LEGO set provides a unique play experience that encourages kids to rebuild and transform. It's a great way to keep their minds active and creative, and perfect for those who love wild creatures and storytelling. The spider toy is especially cool, featuring a neon yellow web that extends from its back. This allows kids to hang the spider from any LEGO brick, making for some extra fun in their animal adventures. And it's not just about building. Each model, whether it's the spider, scorpion, or snake, is fully posable, giving children the chance to create dynamic scenes or act out different animal behaviors. What's great about this set is the versatility. Your child can keep rebuilding the figures over and over, keeping them engaged and ensuring they never tire of the same model. It's a perfect gift for any child who loves animals, building toys, or LEGO in general. The LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Wild Animals set is a fantastic way for kids to learn while playing. The hands-on experience of building and creating with LEGO blocks boosts problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor development. And once the playtime is over, these animal figures can be displayed as trophies of their hard work. If you're looking for a great gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun treat to keep your kids entertained, this set is definitely worth considering. So, check out the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Wild Animals. Surprising Spider, and let your kids' imaginations run wild. You won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome toy reviews.